Good morning, children. This is English video session for class 10. We are preparing to uh, get into the topic 5th chapter, supplementary reader, footprints without feet. The name of the topic itself is footprints of the feet without feet, and you know the name of the supplementary reader is also the same. We are reading about a scientist, Griffin, the scientist who had carried out experiments and became invisible. Now we continue the third paragraph. Griffin, the scientist, had carried out experiments after experiments to prove that human body could become invisible. Finally, he swallowed certain rare drugs and his body became as transparent as a sheet of glass, though it also remained as solid as glass. Brilliant scientist though he was, Griffin was rather a lawless person. His landlord disliked him and he tried to eject him, who the landlord threw him outside the house. In revenge, Griffin set the fire to house. See, when the landlord is not ready to have him, he has to either switch on to some other house or compromise with some raids. But what did he do? To get away, in revenge, Griffin set fire to the house. What did Griffin do? He set the entire fire to the house. To get away from being caught, so what did he do when what he removed his clothes? So now nobody can see him because he is invisible and he is as a glass, transparent glass. So nobody can see him. He is solid as a glass, but nobody can see him. Thus it was so now he had removed the clothes. He is not having clothes. He is homeless. There is no place to live. He doesn't have clothes. He don't have money, and above all, he is invisible. Look at the condition. He is having no hope. Is a homeless wanderer moving from one. Wanderer is the one who will move from one place to another. He has no clothes. He has no money, and he is invisible until he happened to step on the mud. What happened? Suddenly he is solid like a glass. So when he stepped into this mud, he left footprints when he was walking. Okay, had he not put his feet under the in the mud, he would not have found out even now. Okay, now let's see what happened. So footprints. Now we understood, children, how the term came, footprints. Yes. Let's see what happened. He escaped easily enough from the boys who followed his footprints in London. So he could see the footprints of these fellows coming behind. But his adventure were no means over. He had chosen a bad time of the year to wander in London without clothes. London is usually a place which is very cold and it is not possible to bear the winter, semi-winter or winter also. It's so the snow starts falling and the body starts shivering without the woolen clothes. It was midwinter and the air was bitterly cold and he could not do without clothes. Though he was a glass, he had all the senses of the human being. He had cold, he could feel cold, and then he felt hungry. All the things were there. Okay. It was midwinter, the air was bitterly cold, and he could not do without clothes. He could not do anything without clothes. Instead of walking about the streets, he decided to slip into a big London store for warmth. So what he decided is, he went inside a store, big store where clothes are available and thick woolen clothes are available. He put on all the and he was feeling very warm. The closing time arrived. As soon as the doors were shut, Griffin was given himself pleasure of clothing and feeding himself without regard of the expenses. So what happened? Wherever the food was there, food store, he ate all the food. He wore all the good, best dresses. He broke open the boxes and wrappers and fitted himself with warm clothes, sewn with shoes and overcoat and warm, wide brimmed hat. He became fully dressed and invisible person. Of course, inside he is invisible, but he was able to show off that he is having a body. In the kitchen of the restaurant, he found cold meat and coffee, and he followed up the meal with sweets and wine taken from the grocery store. So, how does he take all these things? Stealing. Finally, he settled down to sleep on a pile of quilt. So, what he does it, he goes to the pile of quilt that is soft bed, and he goes and sleeps off. If he had woken up in time, then things would have been he would have been safe. But what happened? Let's see. If only Griffin had managed to wake up in the good time, all might have been well. As it was, he did not wake up until the assistants were already arrived the next morning. So he woke up so late that the assistants had already entered. The assistants, the working people of the firm, had already entered the hotel. What do you think will happen now? Do you think they are going to keep quiet? He has broken the cash box. He has taken the costliest dresses. He had eaten lot of food from the from the grocery. He has looted things. You think people are going to leave him now? Definitely not. Now let's see what happened. Finally, he settled down the sleep with a pile of quilt, and if only he had managed to wake up in the good time, all might have been well. As it was, he did not wake up until the assistants were already arrived next morning. Until they arrived the next morning. So he did not wake up at all. Excuse me, children. Okay. So what happened? If only Griffin has managed to wake up in a good time, all might have been well. As it was, he did not wake up until the assistants arrived the next morning, when he saw the couple of them. See the picture, children. You can see couple of them chasing him. You can see his the stolen coat, dress, the hat, the shoes, and inside hollow, because he's glass type, no? Why are they chasing him? To attack him. See? Now let's go approaching. He panicked and began to run. Why? If they hurt him, then it will be very difficult for him. He cannot do anything. So he was worried if they will hurt him. Okay. They naturally gave a chase. Who gave a chase here? It was the two assistants. Very correct. Yeah. Why are they chasing? Because they have eaten. He has taken stolen clothes. He has taken the money from the cash box. He has eaten the food. Then he is he's a thief. Okay. That is why they gave a chase. In the end, he was able to escape only by quickly taking off his newly found clothes. So what did he do? He did only one thing. He had to throw his clothes off. So everything he started, and suddenly what will happen? Naked body, he becomes invisible. But the chill January air, he became very cold. It was very cold for him. He has to throw all the dresses. Once the dresses are out, naturally he becomes invisible. Did you understand, children? Yes. This time he decided to try the stock with a theatrical company in the hope of finding not only clothes but also something that would hide the empty space above his shoulders. You know, the theatrical, they use masks, they use a lot of things that would cover the face. So he goes into the theatrical company. What is a theatrical company, children? Theatrical company is a drama company. Okay? Yeah. Shivering with cold, he hurried into the Drury Lane, center of the theatre world. So where did you go? Drury Lane. Say Drury Lane. What is the theatre? Okay. He soon found a suitable shop. What did he see there? He found a suitable shop. He soon found a suitable shop. He made his way invisible upstairs and came out with a little later, wearing bandages round his forehead, dark glasses, false nose, big bushy whiskers, side whiskers and a large head. Now what will happen, children? He got the face. What is he having now? A face. What are the things he took for the face? See here. Forehead. He took forehead. He took glasses. He took false nose, bushy whiskers and also a large hat. So naturally when he is going out, people will see him. So what did he do? He carelessly attacked the shopkeeper from behind, after which he robbed him all the money he could find. What is he doing? He is stealing away all the money that is there in the cash box and he goes. Now we have 3 questions that are going to find out. Now we have to find out what are all the 3 questions. So far what you have read, did you understand, children? Okay. Now tomorrow when you come, please read the remaining part also at least 2 to 3 times and come. We can continue the story. Okay.